on the Math 86 final review. We're going to take 54 and 2/3 and subtract 39 and 1/6, and we're going to add to it 5 and 1/2. The first thing we need to do is we need to change our mixed fractions to improper fractions. In order to do this, we're going to take our whole number, 54, multiply it by 3, and that will give us 162. 162 plus 2 is 164. So we're going to have 164 over 3. Okay? Minus 39 times 6 in the denominator is 234. We're going to add to it the 1 in the numerator, and that's going to give us 235 over 6. And on denominator, for our last one, we're going to take 2 and multiply it by 5, which will give us 10. We're going to add 1 in the numerator. So that becomes 11 all over 2. Now what we need to do is we need to find the least common multiple for 3, 6, and 2, or the least common denominator. We need to find factors of 3, 6, and 2. Factors of 3 are 3 itself, and the next factor after 3 is 6. I'm going to stop there because I see that we have a 6 here as well. Factors of 6 are 6. I'm going to stop there because now I have two numbers. I have 3 and 6, and they both have 6 in common. So now I'm going to look to see if 2 has a factor of 6 in common as well. So factors of 2 are equal 2, then 4, then 6. So 6 is a factor of 3, 6, and 2. So that's what we're going to use in our denominator, okay? So we're going to change 164 over 3 to a factor of a number. We're going to change it from 164 over 3 to a number over 6. In order to get from 3 to 6, we have to multiply by 2. If you don't know that off the top of your head, you would simply divide 6 by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Whatever you do to the denominator, you must do the numerator as well. So 164 times 2 is, so we have 328 over 6. We don't need to worry about the 235 because it's already over 6. But we do have to change our last fraction, 11 over 2, into a number over 6. To get from 2 to 6, we have to multiply by 3. If you didn't know that off the top of your head, you would take the number 6 and divide it by 2, and you get 3. So whatever we do to the denominator, we must do the numerator as well. So we're going to multiply the numerator by 3, and we get 33 in the numerator. So it's 33 over 6, okay? Now that we've converted our fractions, we can now add and subtract. 328 minus 235 is 93, plus 33 is 126. And we're going to put that all over the number 6, okay? And now we're going to reduce. 26. 6 goes into 126 21 times. The final answer for question number 14 is 21.